What's up, guys? Robbie here, just trying to give you guys another update on the crypto market tonight. Today, we're going to be specifically looking at Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Monero. So let's get right into it. So we're going to look into Bitcoin first. So we see that we are in this declining channel that we talked about last night on my other video. And we see that we did break over that 40 RSI level. And we talked about that we might try and bounce off this 40 RSI level before we hit the top of our trend line in this declining channel. So it looks like we're actually going to attempt this. It looks like we might actually go for that bounce. We are starting to slope down slightly. Right now, we were getting support off our Ichimoku, which is good. Okay, so if we draw a trend line from the angle of our Ichimoku to that trend line, we see that we are creating a falling wedge. A falling wedge is bullish. I mean, it's basically going to play out like this: up, like that, down, like that, just like a triangle. And then it's going to break out upwards like this. And this is going to be good. This would be a breakout of our channel, which will be nice. I mean, we would break out of that declining channel. If we do that, we got to watch out for some consolidation and another drop. We gotta really be lenient on that watch. But yeah, that would be very good for Bitcoin. And that actually looks like the route that it's gonna go right now. It's either gonna do that or tomorrow's gonna be a green day. I mean, we did have a huge run up if we get our ruler tool. We see that to the top of that wick, that was about 12% run up. So we are having a little bit of a consolidation, which was to be expected anyways. But yeah, so we're still above that 40 RSI level. Remember, I told you guys this pay attention. That 40 RSI level is very, very, very important level. And yeah, I just really think that Bitcoin is trying to go bullish. And yeah, just keep on a lookout for that for bearish activity. So let's go to Litecoin. So Litecoin's at a very, very good spot right now. I really like Litecoin. I just put a position in Litecoin, and I'm gonna explain why. So on the beginning of the bull run, we see that we saw hiccups on this beginning of the bull run at key price levels. $73 right here, 76, 78, and around, yeah, 78 and around 80. I was just gonna say that. So we see hiccups over in this area. So if we get these support levels and we play them out here, we're bouncing at those levels. We are bouncing at those levels, which is very good. That means that our critical support on Litecoin has not been broken, and Litecoin is actually pretty bullish. I mean, this is a pretty good spot to put your position in. Okay. So, like I said with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes below 5,000, I'm going to sell all my positions. I'm going to say if Litecoin goes under about 68, I'm going to sell all my positions. And then I'm going to try to pick it up way lower at around 50. Okay. So that I just wanted to give you guys, what I said with Bitcoin yesterday. This is how my feeling is with Litecoin. So Litecoin's RSI level is a little bit different than Bitcoin. It's that 38 RSI is the RSI level it likes to play with. And we can see that we went up to it, we failed. I mean, it's the same bull trap that we saw of Bitcoin, but it just portrayed into Litecoin. And we see that we're getting a little bit of a dip right under it again on Litecoin right here. So that's not too bad. That's not insanely bad right now. We're probably gonna see a test at that 38 RSI level. So expect some type of push up regardless, and we're probably gonna touch that 38 RSI level. I still believe that Litecoin's gonna go up right now. It's pretty bottomed out. I mean, you look at this chart. Litecoin is bottomed out. I'm just gonna say it. Litecoin is at a bottom. It's a pretty good price right now. I would not feel bad buying here and laddering out my positions. I'm gonna tell you guys where to ladder out. So if you buy right here, first place I would ladder out on the first run is around $89, $90. Okay, so around this level here, let me adjust this. Sorry, around 89.65. I would sell at 89.50 just to be safe. I mean, if you buy right now and you sell at 89.50, you're gonna have, let's see, a 12% increase in your total in your capital. You're gonna have a 12% increase. That's all profit right there. Okay, that would be your first position to ladder out. If it didn't stop there, then I would get my other position. I'll ladder out at around 93. Okay, so around 93.50, 93. That's 16, 17% gain right there. Okay, next position after that to ladder out would be at $110, guys. $110. That is a 39% increase. Okay, so Litecoin's in a very good spot. It's bottomed out. It's very good gain potential here. And it's overall rounding out at this bottom, which is very good for the coin. And yeah, I just really wanted to let you guys know, if you put a position in here, me personally, I would not be scared. I can sleep on this position. I have so much confidence in it. It's a very good position, and it doesn't have really much downside compared to the upside. So yeah, just be on the lookout for Litecoin. It's a very good coin right now, believe it or not. And another coin I want to talk about today is Monero. So Monero, this is my coin. I love this coin. I own a lot of Monero. Monero it's just a gem, okay? You can play these channels. It wicks like crazy all the time. Like, people buy it up like crazy some nights, get those wicks crazy high, and you get to sell crazy high. So of Monero, let's see. Monero. So on our last push up, we just had a push up the other day. We had that. See, right here's a crazy wick. We had this crazy wick. We're getting stopped out by this 236 fib retracement. That's basically what we're fighting right now. Okay, we also have a pretty big channel. These solid green lines indicates our channel that's overhead right now. And that channel alone, I believe, is, yep, it's a 7.5, 7.8% channel. So if you play that channel correctly, I mean, you're in the gold, okay? And we're approaching on it right now. So this channel right here, if we end a day candle around 21, let's say 21, yeah, 21,000 sats. If you can end a day candle at 21,000 sats, get a bounce at 2,800 sats, I'm bullish. I would buy Monero at that point, and I would ride it all the way up to over here at 22,500 sats. That would just be my first ladder out zone. Then I would eventually ladder out at around 23,370 sats. I mean, this is gain central right here of Monero. And if we look at this chart right here, this is look at the overall picture of Monero. This is where it opened up right here. This is where it opened up on Binance. And this is where it's at right now. So, I mean, we draw a line. I mean, that was pretty crappy line, but we draw that line. It is not that far off from where it opened. You see what I mean? I mean, Monero is bottomed out. I can't say that again. It is bottomed out. This is gain central. I mean, from here, let's just say from here to not even an all-time high, but just its usual consolidation. Before the crash, its usual consolidation is still a 20.8% gain on your investment. That's just a regular consolidation that it used to have. It used to go up, consolidate all the way down to that point, up, consolidate down all the way to that point, up, consolidate down to all the way to that point. And that's almost a 21% gain right there. Monero is a very good buy-in right now, and I would I can't emphasize it enough. It is a good buy-in. Monero is a gem. I would buy into Monero. It doesn't have much downside at all. The downside on Monero is hardly any. Another good coin. So Litecoin, hardly any downside. Monero, hardly any downside. And Bitcoin is going to attempt something. I mean, we're probably going to actually see a hook. This is how a hook's going to play out. I mean, it just looks like a hook. So we're going to see a hook. Okay, that's another possibility. So a hook would just be like a U and then a trend line break, which would still make us bounce on that 40 RSI, which we can see. So Bitcoin's looking bullish right now as long as we stay above that 40 RSI level. Litecoin's looking bullish because, I mean, we're at support right here and we're holding pretty damn well. We got a bunch of support right here. And Monero is bottomed out to almost its opening price, on Binance. So, yeah, I'm bullish on all three of these coins. All three of these coins have a very, very, very big potential and good potential. So I just highly recommend these three coins. And I just thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my Twitter. Here's my Twitter, Robbie123 at Robbie Crypto. And I just post on here. I post random calls. I'll post, what I'm feeling. I usually post on here. If I have some I see on my chart, I'll take a picture of it, I'll post it here, I'll let you guys know what I'm thinking, and you guys can just get updated more. And yeah, so if you want more updates, you want more information, you want more charts, follow my Twitter at Robbie Crypto. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support, and just thank you guys. See you next time.